Did you know that Trieste was once the cosmopolitan hub of the Austro-Hungarian Empire? How would you like to stroll through elegant piazzas, sip coffee in historic cafes, and explore ancient Roman ruins? Here are the best things to do in Trieste, Italy. Number 13. Unity of Italy Square. The Unity of Italy Square holds the distinction of being Europe's largest sea-facing square. Its awe-inspiring Italian architecture and captivating history make it a perfect destination worth visiting. Located at the foot of San Giusto Hill, the square treats visitors to breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea. While wandering through Italy Square, you'll encounter remarkable landmarks like the City Hall, with its enchanting clock tower, Lloyd Place, and Government Palace. These architectural wonders not only enhance your experience but also serve as a window into Trieste's past. Number 12. Grand Canal. The Grand Canal is a picturesque waterway in the heart of the city, offering a charming European experience reminiscent of Venice's famous canals. As you stroll along its banks, you'll be enthralled by the sight of beautiful gondolas gracefully gliding on its serene waters. Take a moment to immerse yourself in the ambience and snap some unforgettable travel photographs. Discover romantic destinations nestled between charming boats and historic places that adorn this iconic waterway if you are visiting with your loved one. While you're there, ensure to learn about the rich history of the Grand Canal and its significance as a vital trade route and a symbol of the city's cultural heritage. Number 11. Trieste Roman Theatre. Go on an intriguing journey through time as you discover the well-preserved Trieste Roman Theatre, an ancient Roman amphitheater on Trieste's outskirts. Built in the 1st and 2nd centuries AD by Emperor Quintus Petronius Modesto, it's a testament to Italy's vibrant cultural past. Unveiled in the 1930s, this amphitheater may be smaller than others, but its grandeur still captivates. For more excitement, feed your eyes with the intricate artistry and craftsmanship that reflect ancient Rome's skills. And take a seat in its historic embrace, which allows you to imagine the vibrant performances that once filled the air. Number 10. Trieste Cathedral. Visit Trieste Cathedral, a historic and beautiful landmark that has stood tall in the city for centuries. Its roots date back to the 6th century, replacing an ancient Roman temple. The cathedral has witnessed numerous renovations and additions over time, making it an engrossing blend of architectural styles from different periods of Italian art history. Once inside, you'll love the impressive altar adorned with intricate marble carvings. Lose yourself in the beauty of the frescoes depicting significant moments from Christian history. After exploring, treat yourself to a well-deserved break at one of the charming outdoor cafes nearby. Number 9. Moro Adache. Take a leisurely walk along Moro Adache and appreciate its striking beauty. This historic pier, stretching over 650 feet, grants you awesome vistas of the Adriatic Sea and the majestic mountains that surround it. Whether you visit during the day or at sunset, Moro Adache never fails to enchant you. The setting sun paints the sky and the sea with vibrant hues, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. As you stroll along this iconic landmark, you'll feel the echoes of history resonating through the pier's weathered timbers. So soak in the atmosphere, snap some photos, and savor the tranquility of this exciting place. Number 8. Miramare Castle. Miramare Castle is an entrancing destination that will transport you back to the enchanting era of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. This salt-white fairy tale castle, built in the mid-19th century, boasts a unique blend of Gothic, medieval, and Renaissance architectural styles. Step inside and go on a tour through the castle's opulent rooms, adorned with intricate carvings, gilded accents, and exquisite inlays. Marvel at the regal decadence displayed in every corner, from imperial symbols embellished with coats of arms to magnificent tapestries. Surrounding the castle, the sprawling Miramare Park beckons with its meticulously landscaped greenery, offering a delightful backdrop for relaxed strolls. Number 7. Trieste Castle of St. Giusto. Take in the sweeping views from the Castle of St. Giusto, perched high on a hill. The castle offers impressive vistas of the city and its picturesque surroundings. Bask in the beauty of the Italian Gulf and the mesmerizing hinterland as you wander through this fortress. Once you reach the summit, indulge in the moment. The castle boasts a spacious courtyard where you can unwind while enjoying the stunning panoramas. Additionally, don't miss the open-air theater, which regularly hosts concerts and cultural events, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Trieste experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Trieste Victory Lighthouse. Make sure not to miss the Trieste Victory Lighthouse when you're in town. It's highly recommended. Why? Well, for starters, the views are simply incredible. This active lighthouse stands tall at a whopping 223 feet on Greta Hill, offering you a jaw-dropping panorama of the Gulf of Trieste. But that's not all. The lighthouse carries an interesting historical significance too. Built to celebrate Italy's victory in World War I and honor the fallen heroes, it's a testament to the nation's past. So take your time to soak in the spellbinding architecture and ponder the stories behind it. Number 5. Grata Gigante. Spend quality time at the Grata Gigante and enjoy the great wonders of this colossal cave system. Located in Borgo Grata Gigante, it's renowned as the world's largest tourist cave, attracting thrill seekers from around the globe. Step into a realm where nature's artistic prowess is on full display as you witness the fantastic formations of stalactites and stalagmites. Explore the vast underground chambers and marvel at their sheer grandeur and the geological processes that shaped them over millennia. Number 4. Miramare Castle and Postojna Cave. A common day trip from Trieste is to cross the border into Slovenia to visit the Miramare Castle and Postojna Cave, two exciting attractions located in the same picturesque area. Begin your adventure at Miramare Castle, a medieval fortress nestled within the mouth of a cave. Discover its rich history and marvel at the architectural marvels it holds. Then, venture to Postojna Cave, a natural wonderland of adorable stalactites and stalagmites. Explore the labyrinthine tunnels and learn about the wonderful geological formations. Both sites offer an interesting glimpse into the region's past and natural beauty. Number 3. Saba Concentration Camp. Make your Trieste adventure count with a visit to Saba Concentration Camp, one of the most significant historical places worth visiting. Step back in time and learn about its haunting past as a Nazi concentration camp during World War II. Unlike any other Italian camp, Saba housed a crematory oven that was in operation until the war's end. Today, this solemn site stands as a civic museum, paying tribute to the countless lives lost during this tragic chapter in history. Take a moment to reflect and honor the memory of those who suffered as you delve into the depths of humanity's darkest moments. Number 2. Revotella Museum. Curious about the stories the Revotella Museum holds? Step inside this extraordinary museum and appreciate the fusion of modern art and historical artifacts, each telling a unique tale that connects to the city's past. Step into the world of Trieste's rich cultural heritage as the museum's collections transport you through time, shedding light on the city's journey from World War II to the present day. Delve into the gripping exhibitions and discover the significant events that have left their mark on this lovely city. Number 1. Villaretavela Park. Discover the astounding Villaretavela Park, nestled on a hill just outside the bustling city center of Trieste. With its lush greenery and adorable views of the town and the Gulf, this park is a true haven of tranquility. Spread across 538,000 square feet, it boasts an outstanding array of evergreen ornamental shrubs, majestic conifers, a delightful collection of ancient roses, and towering centuries-old trees. As you stroll through the park, you'll come across a Swiss chalet, a stunning stone church constructed from local karst, stables, service buildings, and a charming cast iron greenhouse. Click here for more things to do in Italy.